Ex-House Speaker, former Justice official join U.S. policy crew assembled by Paradigm. Former lawmakers and officials from both U.S. parties will join academic and political leaders in a new council meant to advise on crypto policy after the midterm elections. Paul Ryan, the former Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives, will join past leaders of both parties' congressional campaign committees in a group formed by Paradigm in a bid to help shape the crypto policies coming out of Washington, company officials said. The crypto venture capital firm has been amping up its Washington presence this year, and Paradigm officials said this new policy council is meant to provide internal guidance as the midterm elections overhaul the political landscape. Next year is expected to mark the most important U.S. legislative moment for crypto to date, with Congress poised to move on stable coins and potentially cementing the Commodity Futures Trading Commission in place as the dominant regulator of crypto trading. Crypto, Web3, has the advantage right now of being pre-partisan, said Council Member Parker Poling, a partner at Harbinger Strategies. Poling was the executive director of the National Republican Congressional Committee and was chief of staff to Representative Patrick McHenry, RNC, who is widely expected to be chairman of the House Financial Services Committee next year. People don't really have fully developed opinions and neural pathways about crypto. Poling told CoinDesk that crypto legislation could be on the very short list of items that could find traction during a session in which no single party. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.